In the previous lecture, we have seen create view and created some details. In this lecture, we'll see how to delete the created data. Okay, so we have created our form view over here, and yes, we have created our create view. Now we'll see how to delete the created views, means created books, and let's try it. Okay, fine. I'm renaming it add underscore book as add underscore book, and add underscore book, make sure you change. Okay, fine. Let's see how to delete the view. Delete it, and okay, def delete book is equal to request, and object is equal to, I want to show some more detailed stuff over here. Just let's search about on Google Django get HTTP 404, get HTTP or underscore 404. So let's check it out once. And what's this? I'll explain you in a minute. This, okay, yeah, get object or 404. What does it mean? It will give us error page of the Django default error page, which we can see over here. Suppose I'll give anything. Okay, so this is the Django's default error page. If I write any URL ABC, and yes, this is 404. This is Django's default error page. If Django will not find any specific URL in the urls.py, then it will give the page error. So how to use them? Let me see. So we need to import it first from Django shortcuts, get object of 404. We need to import it over here, and we can use it in here. Okay, so fine, we can use it over here, and we need to pass a specific form name over here. So our name is book form, and yeah, that's it. And fine, so context is equal to form is equal to obj, or just let form be there, just form, and template is equal to delete book.html and return render request template and context. So fine, and we need to create a template view, just like save delete underscore book.html, and let's make it in okay, delete view. Okay, fine. So here we'll create some kind of warnings over here. Let's see how to do this. So we need to check the condition if request.post is equal to request.method, excuse me, request.method is equal to post, then the object will be deleted. So we can just pass it over here. And yeah, one more thing, as we have when we create our ID, when we create our we can say that our book, when we create our book, we need to pass the ID to means I mean to create a views in our, sorry, to create book in our admin. So we need to explicitly pass the ID to delete this specific book ID. So we need to pass it an object dot delete, and okay, fine, then no need to do this. And okay, so template view, so that we can create it, and after deleting it, we need to return it to the return HTTP response redirect. If you don't know about this, just I'll let you know in a few seconds. Book, when we delete, when the object is getting deleted, after deleted the object, it will redirect us to the this URL. So we need to import HTTP response redirect. So this is the one method to redirect some to the specified path. So this is one kind of a method, and after, okay, for that we need to specify a message. So in the delete view, in delete.html, we'll delete book, and we'll generate a form tag, and okay, so close the form tag, and we'll specify, are you want to delete the book? Here we can specify the name of the book by just giving it just form dot name. So we can give it the name of the book, and input type is equal to submit, and value is equal to yes. Okay, fine. So if we get the yes, then it will submit it. Otherwise, input and type is equal to we can create a button as well. So let's create a button. Okay, fine. Okay, we can give it a link as well, ahref, and okay, fine, we can specify the path book/list. So this will redirect us to the book, and cancel, and okay, fair enough. So if we want to go to the list or the detail view, then we can specify the object ID, and object.id. Okay, fine. So whatever you want, if you want to redirect to the list view, then you can specify the book/list, or if you want to redirect this view, whenever you hit cancel, then you can redirect it to the specified ID, which is of the book ID. So this is it for the input, and fine, we can just describe the method is equal to post, method is equal to post, and CSRF token, as we have discussed it in detail. Okay, CSRF token. So this is how we can create it, the form, and let me just define the URL over here, and okay, fine, delete underscore book, and we have changed add underscore book. So fine, and delete. Okay, fine. And one more thing I want to show you, that if we change the URL, then we need to import first delete underscore book, and okay, so whenever we delete a book, so we need to pass the ID over here, just like we have passed in the book detail view. Okay, fine. So this is how we can pass it in the detail view, or delete view. Just save it and just check once any error is occurring, and okay, fine. In the save it and again check the server and go to the page, and ABC is not found, and book slash okay, so we can book slash list. We can go to the list, and whenever we click over here, okay, delete book got an unexpected argument ID. Okay, first let me just okay, we haven't passed ID to the request. Okay, so ID is equal to none. Fine, and okay, we can create it again, and okay, query set must be a model. Okay, so must be a model, we have to pass the book over here, not a book form. So again, okay, list view, whenever we go to the yes, okay, delete. If we'll put yes, okay, in the home view. So we'll back to the home view. If we want to go to the yes, here the book is deleted, and okay, so if I want to means differentiate delete view and detail view, then I can this is how, suppose suppose I'm going to the 12 for the 12, and yes, I want to delete this 12. So if cancel, it would be in the home view, but it should be in the list view. So you can specify the path book slash list, so it will go to the list view. So 12, if I would cancel, then okay, save, it should be saved, and again refresh, and let me back again, cancel. Okay, it is not working, something is missing. Okay, whenever I cancel, then it should be go to the ID again. So okay, fine. Let me just okay, urls.py. After this I should specify delete. Fine. So I want to delete this object, so when I go to the save and okay, list view, and okay, fine. So if I want to delete it, I will write delete, and it will ask me if I've okay, delete view, and fine, this is object ID. When I cancel, then it will lead us, okay, it's not an object, it's form.id. That's the reason it is leading us to the okay, fine. So if I would cancel, then again it is not working. Let me just check it once. Suppose this is the ID. If I want to delete this, I specify the path. If I would yes, then it will be deleted from here. If I delete this, yes, and cancel, then it will lead us to the book detail view. So there might be some mistakes by me, but by me, okay, so it's not a big deal. This happened in the means development. So this is basically a delete view. So I hope you are clear about the delete view. If I put the yes over here, then the list view and demo, if I want to delete it, delete. If yes, then it will be gone. Fine, fair enough. This is a delete view small, and if you have any doubt, let us know, and without further ado, see you in the next video. In this lecture we have seen how to delete the created data. In the next lecture we'll see how to update the created data and how to play with that.